Welcome everyone to the 6th episode of the Mathematics of Marvel's Midnight Suns. We're going to be looking at vampires this week, or the mathematics of vampire missions. So these are in the season pass. This is the threat room vampire mission, but we're going to choose Dracula, and this is probably one of the hardest missions you can play on Ultimate 3 Hard. The enhanced threat room, we're choosing Blade and Morbius because Blade and Morbius have the ability to bleed their enemies, so they're particularly suited to vampires. Let's go.
Looks like we're winning.
So the objective of this mission, really, we're going to be this YouTube is to show how not to play vampire missions. So we're gonna try and play bleed cards in like a battlefield like this and see what happens. So so these are the minion vampires, and they have a 20 rapid growth. They have 25% chance to turn into an elite. Where's the elite? The elite has a 25% chance to turn frenzy, and this is if one of the heroes bleed. So if they bleed, one of these, these series of events can cascade. These turned Hydra have a 50% chance to apply bleed when they attack. So for every 2 attacks, and there are 2 turned Hydra here, you can expect a hero to bleed. So what we're going to try and do, as I said, is we're going to try and get... Oh, and I forgot to mention Dracula. Dracula's attacks also can bleed. So on a battlefield like this, turned Hydra, vampires, Dracula, you've got a pretty high chance of bleeding, and the bleeding can cascade a series of events. Oh, another thing, if a hero bleeds, these hemolisks have a chance to birth as well, also a 25% probability. So
You have exactly what I needed. Come again. These fanatics are always the same. Time to bleed. Your mother.
So I'm gonna fairly deliberately try to keep the turn Hydra alive, and perhaps normally we try to deal with Dracula. You want to try and stun him or weaken him, bind him or something, so he can't do his, as a supervillain, he can't do his 2 attacks. Well, we're gonna let him deal the most damage he can.
Ought to make things interesting. You've made a mistake. You kissed the mother with that mouth?
Oh, so when these elite vampires are bled, they're marked. So now this is marked. Unfortunately, that's not enough to take them out. How is that?
I have your back. little bit helps.
No more games. Tried harder.
The end comes for us all
So
eventually.
we kept the 2-turn Hydra and we left Dracula alone. Normally terrible things to do.
What? Get ready. I'm on it.
Right, let's see what happens.
You poor swine. Danger move.
Oh, he bled. There we go. Come on. Turn frenzy.
I thought you were supposed to be powerful.
Stole most of blood.
Your journey is over. You trifled with the wrong goddess. On Beta, moving.
Everybody wants a piece of the daywalk. Playtime's over. You've left me no choice. I think you got him.
I will show you true power.
He wields the power of nature with aplomb. What a waste.
close.
We're online.
So be it.
We haven't got a bleed card yet, which is interesting. I have to put Dracula bled, but anyway.
Here it comes. Should get the blood pumping. Give the mother my regards in hell.
This is what you came for.
That's one hell of a move.
My power is yours.
I owe you one. That's a neat trick. No more waiting.
An impressive effort.
How many times you gonna try that?
I have faced far
Now we got bleeding
worse.
cards. Let's see if we can play one of them.
Who I am.
I'm still in my prime. Who's next?
Is that really the best you can do?
It's over.
At least I'll have some idea of your power should you decide to turn on me.
Ah, here we go, bleed card. Right, so we've got 4 minions. Let's play a bleed.
Time's up for these chumps.
Oh, 2 tender. Okay, that's a little more than expected. This could be bad at this point. So the threat room, the objective really is just to survive. So more
An intriguing advancement.
I really only wanted to demonstrate what happens when you bleed in a map full of vampires. It's just really not a great situation.
Don't blink. I'll remember your face.
It's not great playing the bleed cards because apart from other things, your heroes also do bleed, so blood out. Okay, I hope that was a satisfactory demonstration of how not to play vampire missions. So the golden rule is don't play bleed cards and make sure you stun Dracula. Okay, thank you everyone, bye.